Charlie's going to do one too.
Yeah.
This will probably be on Charlie's Hobbywing show. So here, Charlie. Hi.
I'm going to go faster than Joel.
Charlie does a weekly podcast show. What's it called, Charlie?
It's the Charlie Show.
It's Charlie Show. I was trying to get him to shout it out. Yeah. Go, Charlie.
Yeah.
Thanks for all you do, bud.
Yeah! Santa Charlie! Hey!
Let's ram cameras. Ram cameras. Oh, I don't ram. Look at all those nerds.
Can you get them all in?
Oh yeah, dude. Action camera goes for days.
Ready? And 1, 2, 3.
Chili ball!
Hands up.
Hands up! Hey! 1, 2, 3, Jumbo!
There's a new Traxxas late model that's coming out in a couple months, and they debuted it at the Chili Bowl. They did some demo laps, but this is a closer look at what this guy looks like. There's a little driver guy in there, but sharp looking setup. I think we need some of these for the Peacock Pit. We've been trying to talk Mark into making us an oval track, or coming up with more and more excuses. Because the body goes right on the modified, I guess. It slaps right onto the same body mount, so that's sweet.
All right, let's have a good start, everybody. Take it nice and easy. Driver, nice and easy. Go, 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 go. All right, here we go. Off and rolling. Nice start. All right, we got Billy Fisher leading the way. Billy, Ryan, Chad, Arnie. Billy Fisher leading the way. Down the back straight, there he goes. Watch him up, coming on two, clear. Fisher, Ralph to the front. Ralph across start finish line, followed by Fisher, Jones. Right behind Jones is 5. Chapman, Xerun, Davis, and Murphy. It's Ryan Ralph out front, leading the way. Across the start finish line, followed by Billy, Arnie. Then it's going to be Robert, Brian, Chad, Kyle, and Mike. .5 laps to go. Ryan Ralph out front, a 1.5 second lead. Later, down the front straight they go. Chad hits the brakes, he blows right by. Thank you. Fisher second, followed by 5. Harley, a little shake coming off of 4. Second spot is still Billy. Billy and Arnie now the battle. Billy Fisher, white, blue, and yellow, number 17. Arnie 5. Orange, pink, number 4. Australia right now for Ryan. Second spot, Billy and Arnie across the line. Fourth spot, Ed, Robert, Chapman, Jones, Davis, Zimmer, and Murphy. Oh, Arnie got a good look inside of Fisher, nothing there. Oh, Fisher sideways. Arnie tries to spin around. Look out. 3. Arnie finding a 2. Robert Chapman into 3. Good job. Brian giving him room. We got 11 to go. 10 to go this time by Ryan Ralph on front. Watch it into clear. And Ryan, Arnie, Robert, Chad, Billy, Kyle, Brian. 7 to go this time by Ryan Ralph on front. A solid hold of the lead here in round 7, heat 1. Watch it in 1, 1. Our leader, watch it in 1. Watch it in one, guys. Two, coming out of two. Arnie 5 to the front. Terrible luck there for Ryan Ralph. We got 3 to go. 5 across the line. Ralph across. Watch it back street, back street, back street, back street, back street. 2 to go, 1 to go. That is time. Race to the finish line. Finish the lap you're on. Arnie 5 coming around for the win. Robert Chapman second. Followed by Chan, Ryan, Billy, Kyle, and Brian. Oh, thank you, Wesley. It's the pink and yellow across the start finish line. Raymond, Nathan Dean second. Third spot, Kyle Layton, Justin, Max, Tyler, Wesley, Brad.
Oh, big bobble there. My second
Nathan,
spot.
get inside, watch it number 2, clear. Raymond out front, across the start finish line. Down in front straight, second spot. Watch it, 2. Oh, Raymond gets collected. Nathan gonna get by. Nathan Dean in the front with 11 to go. Let's watch it, 2. Watch it in 2.
Wow.
Nathan Dean here later, across the start finish line. Right beyond, thank you. Raymond go right back in it in the pink. 9 to go. Nathan out front, followed by Raymond. Third spot is Kyle. Across the line, it's the black number 11 to Nathan. Raymond. Kyle Layton right behind Raymond. The battle for the 2 spot. Pink car, blue car. We got 5 to go this time by. Nathan across our leader coming off of turn 4. Oh, Layton trying to go to the inside of Raymond. We got 4 to go. 3 to go. Nathan, you're later, Raymond and Kyle. Across the start finish line they go. 1 to go, the white flag lap. Nathan Dean trying to bring home the W here from the 5. That is time. Race to the finish line. Finish the lap you're on. Nathan Dean, your winner. Raymond second. Kyle, Justin. Zach a little out of shape on the 4. Lee Thompson. No, can't do it. Zach keeping that door shut. They come off of turn 2 across the stripe. We got 10 to go. Excellent battle here. Round 7, heat number 3. Zach Rose, Lee Thompson down in the front straightaway. Cross the stripe they go. Cross the stripe now. 7 to go this time by. Zach out front, Lee in second. Lee trying to come up with something. Gets a good run off of 4. Backs are down a little bit going in on 1 and 2. Our leaders coming up, more traffic here. We got 4 to go this time by. Watching leaders down the front straightaway. Zach and Lee, 3 to go, 2 to go this time by. Look out, look out, look out. We're going to go 1 to go. The white flag flies. Zach and Lee racing to the finish line. As they come across the line, Zach Rose hanging on for the win. Lee Thompson second. Great race, Zach and Lee.